everyone, I'm gonna cooking egg, stir fry egg, healthy cooking. Okay, come on, let's go start it. Ingredients: fish sauce, soy sauce, this Thai soy sauce, white pepper, spring onion. I put it in the bucket on my own. The more you pick it up, the more they go another one. They go some more on their own. This is a lot right now. Plan on your own. I plan like this my garden in the bucket at home. Okay guys, cooking. You plan. This is I put the new one on onion and spring onion and cooking. Organic. You know what you're doing. Alright, let's go cook. Okay, let's clean. I eat a lot of garlic. I put whole it right here. A lot of garlic benefits to low cholesterol, all kind of benefits in garlic, guys. Eat the garlic the best you can, okay? And then just peel off this one, very easy. Eat the garlic a lot. Cholesterol, all kind of germ, all kind of benefits. If you want to know, you can Google up, take a look benefit of garlic, okay? But you eat, that's the way you eat this way. If you eat raw, it's too spicy and they will burn your heart and you burn your stomach. You know, you don't want it. You want to cook a little bit, just like this. What I did is very easy, okay? To eat this way, garlic cook with anything benefits. I want to eat raw, but it's too spicy. So eat this way better, still benefit, okay? Cook not too much, just cook a little bit only. Just like that. Okay, very simple and easy. Eat simple food. Everybody, you cooking with sisu, eat a lot of herb and chop like this. Okay, cooking with sisu is a benefit. Just like that. Just like that, cooking garlic with anything is benefits. See, I eat a lot of garlic. This is make me 1 week. I finish all of this. get ready to eat. Steamed rice, colorful bean, brown rice mixed together, and have the egg right here.
Yeah. Egg. Oh. Okay.
Good. All right, eat it. Bon appetit.